PTE speaking cheat sheet. Yes, in this video, I'm going to explain you about the all hacks and cheats for your PTE speaking. Now, if you are aiming for 6.5 and you are not very good in your reading module, you know that getting higher marks in speaking can get you marks for reading as well. And also it will improve marks for listening. Now, these are some of the tricks which I'll be showing you in this video and will help you to get perfect 90 in speaking. Now guys, a lot of students don't get perfect 90 and that's why their overall scores also decreases. And that can be a big issue. And this is very important that you get perfect scores in speaking because it is not hard to get perfect scores. It is very easy. If you follow these cheats, you will be able to get perfect scores in speaking. But before you do that, if you're new to our channel, make sure that you do subscribe, hit a like button because it is going to help us to make more tutorials like this, and you will also get a notification next time when we put any such tutorial which is going to be really valuable for you. And on top of that, if you're facing difficulty in any of the tasks, any of the modules, put it in the comment section guys, because I personally reply to all the comments and I'll try to give you a quick solution so that it can help you in your PT journey. Now, firstly, let's talk about the very first task, which is read aloud. There are a lot of students out there who believe that if they do not speak full paragraph, they're not going to get the marks for the content for the reading. But let me give you a quick wake-up call. You can get perfect scores for your reading module just by reading first 12 words. Yes, I have done it myself. A lot of students have done it as well. You just need to follow the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The correlation between elevated blood pressure levels and a multitude of health. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pressure levels. Levels elevated, multitude of health. Correlation between elevated blood pressure levels and a multitude of health. The correlation between elevated blood pressure levels and a multitude of health. Let's check the answer and let's check the marks. There you go. So you got perfect scores in your fluency and pronunciation. A little bit issue with the and, but I'm not wearing any microphone with the headset, and you will also get perfect scores for the content. So as you have seen, following this strategy can give you perfect marks not only for your speaking but also for your reading. Now this is one of the hack a lot of students miss out, and they believe that this is a myth, this does not work in a lot of other websites and they're not going to get it. Guys, why are you believing the websites out there? Why don't you check it for yourself in the official Pearson mock test? Check it for yourself. This strategy works and it will work in your final exam as well, as it has worked for a lot of students. Now let's talk about the next hack. It is very important that when you come across describe image and retail lecture, you don't have to explain them all the trends. You don't have to explain them the story for the retail lecture. You don't have to make sense, but you have to follow a pattern, a structure, which can help you to give them the keywords, because they are marking you only for the content on the basis of keywords. And you have to be fluent with right pronunciation. That's it, because only 3 parameters are getting marked, which is content, pronunciation, and fluency. You just need to make sure that you're doing well in them. You don't have to worry about giving them the explanations for the bar graphs, trends, analysis for the pie charts. Just make sure that you speak the right keywords, content from every particular portion of the image, put it into a structure which is easy to speak, easy to flow, and that way you will be able to get perfect marks in describe image. And even for the written lecture, you don't have to explain the entire story or explain it with meaningful phrases, meaningful words. You don't have to do that. Just focus on the nouns and you will be able to get perfect marks for the written lecture as well. So let's do this one guys. Jan, February, sunrise PM, sunset PM. Then there are dots and lines, September, October, 1, 15. So 1 and 15 is there. Then is sunrise and sunset PM. Okay. So we're just going to pick the content. We're not going to make any analysis or trends. Sunrise and sunset was the main topic of the image. January and 1 was on the left side. April and 15 was on the right side. July and August was also given. September and October was also mentioned. November and December was also told. Highest and lowest numbers, maximum and minimum trends, red, blue and black color to conclude topic. That's it. So certain sentences which are going to help you to get perfect scores. Alright, there you go. 14.5 out of 15, guys. What else you need to crack this score? Let's do read a lecture now.
Morton Prince was an American physician and psychologist. His book Dissociation of a Personality was the bestseller at that time. It tells the story of Miss Christine Beecham, who was suffering from MPD, multiple personality disorder. Miss Christine Beecham has several types of personalities, namely B1, B2, and B3. There was hidden memory in these three personalities, with hallucination among them. Miss Beecham was B2. B2 knows about B1, B3 knows both B1 and B2, but B1 knows nothing about B2 or B3. The strongest personality accounts for most of the time, and it will take over the others and become the main personality at the end. This case and theory gives great help to crime investigation.
Martin and American was the main topic of the lecture. Psychologist and book was also mentioned. Bestseller and Christian was also told. MPD and disorder was also highlighted. B1 and B2 was also discussed. Personality and crime was also highlighted to conclude topic. Let's check the answers now. As you can see, 14.7 out of 15. So you're getting perfect scores almost. Now guys, you don't need to explain the story. Just follow the template, put in the keywords and going to get the marks. So guys, this is the hack you need to keep in mind, that you don't have to worry about explaining it to the audience. You just have to pick up the keywords, put it in a structure, be fluent and maintain your pronunciation. Now the final hack which I'm going to share with you guys is for answer short questions. Answer short questions, a lot of students ignore. They feel that this is not an important task. I can understand this is the least important task, but yes, it still has some weightage. So what I'll recommend you to do is, before going for your exam, read all the prediction questions, because a lot of questions come from this prediction file in your final exam. And just go through their answers. You don't have to worry about practicing this for hours and hours, and you will not face difficulty in the exam as well, because as I've told you, these are the exam questions and there's a high chance these will repeat in your final exam. So as you guys can see, this is a June prediction. If you go over here, you click on the answer short questions, you will get all these questions over here. So my suggestion to you is read all the questions with the answers so that in the exam you don't face any difficulty. Now guys, a final tip, a bonus tip I want to give you guys is for repeat sentences. By covering 50% of the content, you can get 2 out of 3 for the content portion. Yes, that means if you get a 14-word sentence and if you only cover about 7 to 8 words and you are fluent and your pronunciation is correct, you will get 12 out of 13. Yes, only losing 1 mark. Now, this is what a lot of students miss out. They feel that content, they need to speak 100%, and for that, they just get panicked. They just hesitate and they ruin their fluency and pronunciation. So don't do that. Keep this hack in your mind that you can still get 2 marks out of 3 by only speaking 50%. So that should be your minimum goal. Try to cover at least close to 80%, because covering 75% and above will give you 3 out of 3. So you don't even have to speak 100%. Now this is the hack which I want you guys to keep in your mind. Let me show you quickly how.
Some teenagers in my school are not very well behaved, but fortunately all my friends are.
Some of my teenager friends are not very well behaved, but my friends. So we captured only some of the content. Let's see how much we get. There you go. So we got 2 out of 3. Even we have missed out a lot of content. We captured half of the content and we still get around 11 marks out of 13. But again, we are not wearing any microphone, right, for the portal. So you are getting good scores. If you wear the microphone, automatically your scores are going to go up. for fluency and pronunciation. Now, these hacks are very unique, very effective, and they will get you 90 out of 90. You just need to practice them. And if you have not practiced them on a Vision Language Experts portal, make sure that you go and practice, because that is the most upgraded platform for PTE practice. Because we have the read aloud strategy working in our platform, just like the real exam. All the templates, all the strategies, all the new questions are already in the portal. So you don't have to worry about going to different websites to practice. So make sure if you have not signed up, you can sign up for free and you can start your practice for free. But before you guys go, make sure that you check out our Instagram channel, because we have recently posted a tutorial on how to improve your reading blanks. So if you have not checked it out, go and check it out. That will help you to improve your reading blanks